I went pear shopping today, so because I got this nice pear because like I thought those two green pears, which is number one and number three, they're so similar. I really couldn't tell much was happening as far as artistic growth and achievement. So, and then I found this nice tomato with a vine and distinctive leaves, and looked a lot like a tomato. So I thought, oh heck, if I could do that, I'll be happy. A little tomato detour here, and so anyway, I don't know, it was not coming out too super great, but as usual. But I just kept working on it patiently, and actually, I broke the ice on working in the afternoon. Normally, I only work in the morning, and so that was a big change. And I guess it came out looking like a tomato. And more importantly, it looked like that tomato, not the brain telling me what a tomato looks like. And as sometimes is complained about in certain places. And then throw in a made-up background, which of course looked pretty terrible, and then there it is, my little tomato with leaves on it. A tomato detour from my pear endeavor.